Amazon is the biggest product search engine in the world. But how do you get your products to rank really, really well? What is it about Amazon SEO that makes it so difficult? Well, in this video, I want to show you some great tips to SEO your products. Let's do it. So this is a product that makes, depending on the variation, between 300,000 and 700,000 a month in revenue. Okay, so it's a product that they're selling a lot of. I really, really like this product. It's actually a rip-off of another product that sells like gangbusters in Australia, which name slips my mind, but the product was purchased, the brand was purchased by an aggregator, and the aggregator has unfortunately not done the best things with it. And so this product has taken over this particular niche. Okay, so let's look into it and see why. Title and image are the bomb. You often find actually that people who are used to selling in retail environments, particularly for this kind of stuff, they really understand the importance of the packaging for a product. They really, really get it. They've got to get all that information onto it. So it's things like, let's see if we can come back. There we go. The title, getting all this included on it. Like you've got the brand name on there. You've got the main thing that it does. So mud mask for face. You've got the pore reducer for acne, which is the UPS, blackheads and oily skin. You've got how to use the product on there. Like it's all in there. It's all enables you from the SERPs to really understand how to do it. So they've got brand name, they've got most relevant keywords, they've got how to use the product in there. Like it's a really beautifully, and how much is in there as well. It's a really beautifully optimized title that they put together. Okay, very, very clever. The image itself, also very, very cool. Let's look at that. So they've got their branding on there again, so you know you're in the right spot. They've got the product on there, which is really for our purposes, is the main buying search term, Dead Sea Mud Mask. If you can put the main buying search term of your product onto your product itself, so when you're looking through the SERPs, not only do you see it in the title, but you also see it on the image as well. That's a really cool thing to be able to do. How to use it, and then the ingredients as well. Like it's all in there. It's all in there. So this gives everybody all the necessary information that they need from the search engine results page before they actually think about clicking through to your main listing. So you've got it all. It's all there available to you. So the more you can do that, the more you can make the sale. And I think more importantly, the more you can put people off who are not interested in your product at that point of the SERPs, the better. Because one of the biggest ways, let's see, that Amazon specifically decides whether or not to rank your product is on the number of sales that get made for any given search term. So the more you can do, make the sale here before people even click through, the better for your search engine ranking. It becomes a virtuous cycle. Amazon looks at your listing and says, for that search term, Dead Sea Mud Mask, this product makes the most sales because they can't buy from here, although they are testing that. This product makes the most sales, so they have to click through, and it's from the click through that you can make the sale from there. Very cool, very good, very well thought out. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.